Rafvi, the Chief Technology Officer of Rafvi Islamic Digital Bank. So the first thing we did was that the moment we had our business strategy approved from the board, we shaped an IT and digital strategy around the business strategy, sort of enabling our business to achieve the goals that they had set for themselves for next 5 years. Our IT strategy is holistic. It comprises of various different pillars. It sets the foundation of the kind of architecture we are going to be establishing to make sure that the technology pillars are very, very solid when it comes to executing business and enabling business to run their customer journeys on sound technology. But having said that, we have a clear strategy around how we are going to be leveraging AI. And when I say AI, I'm talking about all facets of banking, be it decision making for risk management, be it customer facing UI, UX experience, be it the back-end processes, making sure how we are leveraging agentic AI to make sure that all our back office processing is automated. And AI essentially is the name of the game for us. The way we look at AI is that we are going to be leveraging AI and digital technology to take a leapfrog compared to our competition. It's going to be our differentiator in the market. So that's how we are going to be competing with 40 other banks in the jurisdiction and making sure that our bank is leveraging AI to the max to make sure that customer embarks on banking journey with us because they like the UI UX experience we create using AI. So that's how we're making a difference in our banking industry where we operate. So what we are doing different is creating journeys which are very, very efficient and extremely compelling and convenient for customers. So if you look at traditional banks, customers have stopped going to banks anymore because banking, the way it used to happen before, is no longer how customer expects the banks to be. So there is a huge gap between the demand of a modern customer vis-a-vis how services are being executed, which are predominantly 2 to 3 decades old, right? So that's the gap that we are filling. We're coming up with UI, UX, and entire customer journey, which is essentially run on the pillars of AI, making sure that they're extremely convenient. And these new user journeys, for the likes of millennials and Gen Zs, we're making sure that we have an adoption and subscription to the platform, which is faster than any other bank. And hence the reason why I certainly believe that we'll be doing better than the other traditional banks. Fundamentally changing. So historically, if you see, CIOs have been more firefighters. They've been more of a person running computer systems for the banks. No longer the case. CIOs are now more of business partner with the business leaders. They help business transform and take an edge, leveraging technology, digital AI, to make sure that we have a leapfrog against the competition. So CIOs are becoming predominantly more so ever than before, emerging leaders helping CEOs and becoming CEOs eventually in banks to make sure that banks are now also leveraging AI and digital technology to the max.